So you now know how you can earn £1,000, right? Awesome, right? But maybe now you're asking yourself, how can you earn more than the minimum wage? You want to know how you can grow your finances a lot faster. Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do that. And if you're like, no, I cannot be bothered to watch this whole video, here is a quick summary. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things that you need to consider. Number 1, you need to consider that, look, it is not something that is going to take, it's not something that will happen immediately. You need to exercise being patient. And then I talk about the different types of sources of income that you can use to grow your finances. So there's the active source of income and the automated source of income. So those are all that I'm going to be talking about here in this video. If you want to really know what I'm going to go through today, and if you want to be able to really get a good foundation on the information that I'll be sharing with you on how you can grow your finances a lot quicker, and you want to hear the 5 things that you need to consider, and also some of the examples that I will be giving of the different sources of income to start doing and put in your portfolio, then grab your notebook, your pencil, and your glass of water. It's the Financial Fixer Show. Welcome to the Financial Fixer Show. My name is Gospel, and I help under 25 years old to grow their finances and have a positive money mindset. So if you're new here, please subscribe and disintegrate the like button. Earning the minimum wage can take you a long time to get your £1,000 if you are young. It can take you a very long time to achieve your goal of growing your finances. While it is doable to grow your finances with the minimum wage, you might want to do it a lot faster. So perhaps maybe you need to consider some other alternative, some other sources of income. Add another source of income so that you can grow your finances and reach your financial goal a lot sooner. So let's visualize this. You are earning £250 every day. That would just take you only 4 days to achieve your goal of getting £1,000. Imagine just 4 days to get to £1,000 if you're earning £250 every day. Let's think about the average salary here in the UK. It's almost 30,000 a year that people earn on average in the UK. So that is about almost £2,000 every month. Now imagine making £250 every single day. That is almost £5,000 a month. £5,000 a month, you're making over 60% more than the average £2,000 a month that others make. Imagine, what could 60% pay rise do for your life? Okay, perhaps you're asking yourself, Gospel, how in the world am I going to be able to make £250 every single day? How? I'm not gonna lie, this can be quite hard to do. It can be a bit challenging. It is not easy to achieve this goal, £250 every single day. But this is at first though. At first, it's not easy. There are some things that you need to consider, and I'll be sharing that with you. Here are 5 things that you need to consider first when it comes to you achieving that goal of growing your finances. Now, I have talked about different sources of income. I'm going to put a link where you can then you can watch the video. So the very first thing you need to pay attention to is that it's time you set up an automated source of income. Stop exchanging time for money. Your 9 to 5 job doesn't fly anymore. It's not going to be sustainable anymore, especially if you're not doing a professional job like accountancy, medicine, pharmacy, teaching, nursing, all those professional type of roles that we all need basically. If you're not doing those type of roles, you need to consider setting yourself up with an automated source of income. And even if you're doing if you have a professional career, you need to also have an automated source of income. Gone are the days where we relied on just one source of income. People will look at you with the side eye if you have just one source of income. Yep, that's right. Point number 2 is that you do not need money to start any automated source of income. Nope, you don't need to spend money to make money. That is a myth, and it is one that will lead you to Broke Express. You can start to earn money from an automated source of income. All you do is find the automated source of income that you really want to start doing or you want to test out, and stick with it. Stick with that for a specific number of months or years. Not you jumping from one automated source to another automated source. I've done a video where I share with you how you can go about doing this. The key is that you find an automated source of income that is suitable for you and your lifestyle, and stick with it. Point number 3. At first, I'm gonna be honest with you. At first, you're not gonna make any money. And that's okay. That is just because nobody knows you yet. Apart from maybe you telling your friends, your family, your neighbor, perhaps they now choose to buy from you if you're lucky. But here in the UK, in order for your business to spark and to start growing, you need to advertise it. You need to advertise it to people outside your bubble, outside your environment. You need to let other people know about it. Point number 4 is that you need to be strategic with your plans. Find a role model that you can really observe and let them coach you or mentor you. Copy what they do, but put your own spin on it, put your own personality into it, and learn from them. Learn from them their mistakes, the mistakes that they did. Many of them are quite willing to share with you so you don't make the same mistakes. Find ones that you can trust and that have got your back, and just imitate them, but make sure you put in your own flavor, your own personality, and do what you like to do, what you enjoy doing, but with their wisdom and guidance. Point number 5 is that you need to stick to whatever you've chosen to do. You need to stick with it. You do not want to be jumping from one shiny thing to the next shiny thing. That way, you're not going to make any money. Nope, you're not. Be patient with achieving your goals of making £250 every day online. Be patient with yourself. It takes time for you to grow your finances using the automated system. But once your business has been ignited, you will be glad about the effort you put in the first place. So point number 5 is stick to whatever you've chosen to do as your automated source of income. Everything takes time in life. So give yourself time for your new automated business to kick in. Give yourself approximately 2 to 4 years. Yes, I know that sounds really long time, but that is when things will just start growing even faster, that you'll be like, I don't think I'm gonna get a job. Nope, I'm not gonna get a job. And if you like, okay, I don't mind getting a job, but I will just be cruising. Or you might say, okay, this is going to ignite my retirement. Now I can see myself retiring before I am 40 years old. Yep, that's doable. That is what being patient can do for you. Patience is a very, very underrated skill to have. Give yourself 2 to 4 years to put in the effort to learn the skills, to home in on how the automated sources of income works. Use this time period to really make sure the foundation is solid, and then watch as your money just starts to grow and grow and grow. Do you know how an oak grows? The oak tree, read it up and you will see that it is always worth it waiting and nurturing things. At first you might think that nothing is happening, but just keep doing what you do and you will be surprised at how fast you will grow your finances.